You're welcome to this channel at this moment. You're highly welcome. This is some big triple house of our talking to you this morning. According to your time zone, it may be morning, afternoon, or evening, or night. And I say you're welcome to this wonderful Wednesday. This is a good and a bright day, a wonderful day. Um, Today we're not in a hurry. There's a smart one I want to give to you because I'm somehow exhausted. Just left the service. My Wednesday is always important. I couldn't make it up in the morning, early hours of the morning, so I just went and did my share, my own portion, and came in to see you. You guys are important. Without you, there is no me. Without you, there is no channel like Home Big Triple House of Art. Without you, no us. You are the heroes and heroines. I welcome you, lions and lionesses, born in this planet for to achieve all that has been assigned and destined and predestined for you to assign. Yes. I no get the English. That's why I hear them when they talk and that's why I talk one. Mhm. How are you this day? What is happening to you? What actually is going on? What is going on? Have you been trying all the rituals or the spells or the recipe that I've been teaching you? That we have been learning, not me teaching you. I don't teach anybody. I don't know anything. Have you been trying them? If they are not working, this moment will work. Mm. But I know they are working, just that you have not been able to cool down and see that it's working. If you bend down very well, you go there here see Aba. That is anywhere where you dey, you go there see Aba. And Aba is in Nigeria. You understand me? Mm-hmm. If you dey anywhere you dey Ghana, Liberia, Sierra Leone, US, so anywhere you're hearing the sound of my voice, you'll be there and you see Aba. If you bend down, just calm down. It will work. It must work because God has destined this year 2021 for you to make it. He has destined for you to make it, for I to make it. We cannot just be there, just exist like that. Once upon a time, there was a woman who lived in just like that, doing just. It will be once upon a time. There was a hero, an icon. There was a person. Ha! There was somebody who has, impacted positively in the life of others. You, talking to you. Do not end it because it has not ended. It will only end when you stop breathing. And I tell you, you can never stop breathing until you complete, accomplish, fulfill all that He, the Almighty God in the 10th heavens, have destined for you. Because He said in the book of Jeremiah that I know you before you were born, while you were in your mother's womb. I know you. I know your name, your house address, everything about you. And I covered your destiny under your skin. God understands. What you're passing through now, He knows it all. I don't really know what is your problem. Subscribe now. Nah, for you. Want you everything before you subscribe. Share, just share. Just start sharing the video. As you're listening, just share. Just share the video. Share it. Somebody needs this. Somebody needs just a smile. I want to teach you one thing, but I must first of all give you the introduction of this. The introductory part of what I want to teach you is just this little thing you're going to do for me. Just do this little thing for me. Just do, bro, 6. Now, just do this little thing. Just this thing. Just smile. Just give me a smile. Just give me. I didn't say laugh. I don't want to see your 32 teeth. And some of us will not get it. You understand now? Our own no complete. I don't want to see it. Just smile. Just smile. Just smile. Just smile. Just beam up. Yes. This is one big triple house of ours speaking to you this morning. The girl is good. That's in your pocket. The girl is good. Now your pocket today. The boy is good. Now your pocket today. But I will tell you what will make you become big girl, good girl in your pocket. One thing I want you to do, and you have done it, you don't even know when you did it, just to smile to add more strength to your life. That's something some people do to themselves. They forgot that they are the first person in this planet, the only person that is existing, The only person that is living in this earth, on this life now, in this life now, they are the only person. The first person to be attended to is you. And for you to be able to succeed and see the next day, please, once in the day, add a smile. It will heal the whole wound. The wound is too much. This place is too harsh. But a smile can add and become an APC. I don't mean the party APC. I mean that one that our great-grandfather used to drink before. The paracetamol. PCM. The paracetamol. It can be the analgesics that will lift up the pains, relieve you of it. And you will become normal as to reason aright and to do things appropriately. This afternoon, this morning, this evening, give yourself a smile. Don't see, just go to the mirror. Imana onyo, enyo, become the onyo. Just give yourself a smile. Look at yourself and see how wonderfully and beautifully you are made. You're not supposed to be like this, but something has twisted you, and I want you to twist that thing back and untwist yourself. If somebody look at you very well and see and look at you and feel that you are not good enough, bros, I tell you, arrange yourself, package, packaging now, package yourself and comport. You gotta go upgrade, and now add a smile. It will make you will not only appreciate yourself, you'll be happy with yourself, in yourself, by yourself, only yourself alone. That's why I like that song that says, you are God from beginning to the end. There is no point for argument. You are God all by yourself. You see, say he's God all by himself. Be yourself by yourself, all alone. Don't allow anything that somebody will say or do to you to perturb you, to worry you, to trouble you, to disturb you, to make you to think, to make you shed tears. It's unnecessary. It's unnecessary. One of my pastors normally says, my father in the Lord, he says, nobody is qualified to make you unhappy. That is to say, it's not that people will not make you unhappy, but when they make you unhappy, happy yourself. You don't see that one? Like now, see the tower they give you now. And they show you, sir. Press the like button. Press the like button. This is something. Triple House of R talking to you today. Press the like button. Like it. Like it. Like it. Like it. Because this is they do here. It they work. It they work. It they work. It they work. Somebody has no rights. No demon, no spirit, no situation, no condition has rights to make you unhappy. So if they have ever succeeded in making you unhappy, do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Now me be the great grandmother where you get now where they talk to you. Now me be your sister where you get now where they talk to you. Now me be that your mother's sister, your auntie where they talk to you. Now me be that your girlfriend where they talk to you now. I won't tell you the cocoa be say when they won't make you unhappy, happy yourself. When you happy yourself, you will be able to reason aright. You will be able to come up with positive thinking and plans to succeed. See, be selfish. Some people say you don't want to sell azu. Sell the azu. I don't know what you call fish in your village, in your dialect, in your language. Please drop it in the comment section. I want people to be commenting so that we'll know what is happening. A lot of people, I had some testimony the other time. Someone from Ghana was telling me that God has started doing it, things were difficult. He went to the village and came back, and after that, everywhere closed down, shut down. But after a little, all this concussion, all this miscombo, just alligator pepper. I say, easy, do this, and that was all. That was all. Things begin to move. And today, I want to tell you one thing that you can do. When you get home, because I know very soon you get to the village. You saw me the other day, I went to the village, and to my own village, that is my fatherland, where my mother was married to and where they gave birth to me. The first water I drank, I went there to fetch. I showed you my video how I was in the stream fetching, and where I was also washing my hands in the stream. Get to your village. Get to your village and do the same. I fetched and I came back with it. And I think my water is here. My stream water is here. This is from my village. And there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. This is from my husband's village. This is where I'm talking from today, where I am speaking to you. This is the river, the stream water. This is the stream water. This is my village stream water. Just one stream. Oh, I didn't go to the second, the third. We have a lot of streams in my village. We are blessed. Yes, I just went to one because I didn't have enough time. I went to one and I fetched this water, and I tell you, it's so good. That people know they look me. Mm. When you're exhausted, you're sick, it's like things are not moving. This is your root. Bring it out. Wash a little your face. Drink a little the water of life and strength and healing. Speak and pour out a little, and you see something happen. Now I'm going to show you the main thing that brought me to this channel today, to show you one thing. Can you see this? Look for this. When you get home, look for this. Even in your place, in your country, you may have it. Look for this. This is a tree. It's a branch of a tree. The Igbo people, they call it Ofo. They call it Ofo. You'll be asking, is this woman a herbalist? Or is she a native doctor? I don't even know the one why I build. Or is she an evangelist? Which one is she? I don't know whether I'll call it Buruburu. Hornbeck Triple House of Fire. Subscribe to this channel, my dear. Stop looking at me as if you have not seen me before. You've seen this face before. The girl is good. It's inside your pocket. I want you to be good. I want the boy to be good inside your pocket. Yes. That is why I'm teaching you a lot of things. I'm trying to share what I know. And you share what you know in the comment section. Let me learn. Every day is a learning day. No age for learning. No age limits. We are all students. And that is why you can say I dress like a student this afternoon to talk to my fellow students. Hello. Hi. To the return subscribers, I say God bless you. You are wonderful. You are wonderful. Every day you increase in number. I bless God for you. And I say these blessings will remain. And for those of you that are coming for the first time, the day must surely bless you. The day must surely bless you. The minutes must surely bless you. The hours must surely bless you. Izunano, Ayanano, they will bless you. I've spoken in my language. All right. This is our 4 tree. I got this from my father's house. I was not able to go to the tree. I would have cut enough. I would have picked, because we don't cut it in my place. You just go to the bottom of the tree and you pick. It falls. When it dries, it will fall by itself. You pick. It's a blessed tree. It's an amazing spiritual tree. This tree, you don't joke with it. If you are good or bad, you don't joke with this tree. For the bad one, you don't do bad and near this tree. For the good ones, it's a blessing to them. It's a 4 branch. If somebody see you holding this in early hours of the morning to talk or to pray, the person will say, because a fizzy, 9 twist or so, a fizzy. You be Yoruba, but you want turn to white. You be Hausa, you want become Oyibo. You be Igbo. Now you want, even your brother they speak Igbo for you, they speak English. Shame. No the shame. Where is your mother's tongue? Look at this thing that I'm holding. Some people wey feel say na them wey go church. Me, I don't go the first church, go the second church today. Now the third one, when I finish, I enter the third one. But I will never forget where I came from. Where I came from is Igbo land. And in Igbo land, we have a lot that blesses us. And this is one of them. You're the woman, get it. You're the man, get it. It doesn't reject anybody. It rejects only the bad ones. But you know you don't use this to pray when you're in your period if you're a woman. The things are difficult for you and you feel that somebody or some people somewhere or some personalities spiritually somewhere, undoing you. Pick up this early hours of the morning before 9 o'clock. Come out to the outer part of your house. If you know you're living in a tenant house, you can sit close to your window. Remove the shoes in your leg and use this. Hold it in your hand and begin to talk. This is ofo. We call it ofo. It's a tree that it brings out seed. The fruit or the seed. The fruit cannot be eaten, but the seed inside the fruit, we used to use it. Everywhere in the market, you will see the ofo seed. It's a thickener they use in thickening soup. There is another one they call achi. It's not achi I'm talking about. I'm talking of ofo. Now, this is the branch of the tree of ofo. That is what I'm holding in my hand. This is a lawful tree in the realm of the spirit. It's a judgmental tree or a judgmental stick. You can use it to pass judgment. And you feel that this thing that is happening to you is not ordinary. And you know that naturally your hands are clean. You have not done anybody anything. Pick up this early in the morning. Come out to the early hours of the sun and begin to talk. You know what you can say. You know what you can say. Jogu, you know what you can say. Begin to talk and free yourself. Mention the name of your village, the name of your family, where you came from, this and that. You are born by this person. Your father's name is this. Your mother's name is this. You are coming from so local government, from so state, from so country, and you are married to so place. And that if you have done any man or any woman anything, if you have done any spirit or any, begin to talk, decree, declare, begin to talk, chant, anything you can, any word you can use to qualify what I'm trying to express or explain. Do it. Begin to say something. If you go to Psalm 7, you will see where the psalmist David was saying, if I have done this thing to you and you're doing this to me, may God judge us. Go to Psalm 35, you see. Go to Psalm 77, you see. Go to many parts of the book of the Bible, you will see where people of God were trying to liberate themselves, judging what is judging them. Now, who is that man judging you? Who is that woman judging you? Who is that personality judging you? Who is that spirit judging you? You can pick up this and begin to talk. As you're talking, you're hitting in the anger. If I've done any evil to you and you're doing me this, may it be well with you. But if I've not done, may God in the 10th heavens judge between me and you. As you finish this prayer, wait for 7 days. You're going to see the wonders that will take place. You're going to see the wonders that will take place. You never hear this one before. You don't hear them. This is a 4th branch. Go to your village. If you cannot go to your village, you tell me. Book them. Book them so that I can do a B for you. I can do a B for you and get your 4 branch. You won't pay for it. You only pay for Webi. Pay for the transport of the person that will go and get it. Pay for him to come back. Then you pay for the Webi. I won't sell it. Cannot be sold. I can't sell it. I can't sell it. No. But you pay for what the expenses to get it to you. That's it. And use it and pray and liberate yourself. A lot of people are tied down. And what is tying them down is what they don't know. They try this one, it doesn't work. They try this one, it doesn't work. I beg, use prayer now. Use your mouth to pray yourself out. Liberate yourself by yourself, on yourself, only yourself alone. And it will work. I tell you, if it has not been working, it will work for you. It will work in the morning, it will work in the afternoon, it will work in the evening, it will work on a K day, on a day, on a 4 day, on a 4 day. It will work at the rising of the sun, it will work at the going down. The God of the 10th heaven is going to help you, visit you, and bless you. He will never let you down. As I decree today, so will it happen. Subscribe to this channel and like the channel. Also share. I love you. I love you all. Bye. See you in my next video.